M&J Habitat here. Time for another weekly hive update. I'm going to give you a little close look here. I put my ventilator top on a couple days ago. Built this down in the wood shop. Seems to be working. There was very little condensation today, so hopefully that helps out with the condensation. The video is a little jumpy this week. I went in deep, tried to do some manipulation in that lower box. I found one queen cup. Didn't see no egg in it, but I'm not a very good egg spotter, so we're gonna have to keep close eye on that one. We got our broken frame corrected. I cut it out, moved it over to an empty frame, rubber banded in like everybody suggested, and hopefully that'll correct that problem. A lot of brood, a lot of larvae, a lot of nectar. Everything seems to be going good. The top box is really getting full quick. Hope they don't swarm. Thanks for watching.